Hi guys, very good evening, and I hope every one of you aware of that the institute has announced the May 2022 schedule. As we know, as most of you would have seen, okay, 14th May onwards CA final starts, and 15th May onwards CA inter starts, and CA foundation 1 week later, 21st May, I think so. And for this, examination forms are being opened from 21st February onwards, 21st Feb onwards, 21st Feb onwards examination forms are opened. Okay, so you can file the forms until 13th March. The forms were open until 13th March, which is a clear indication, that results will come. Results will be in the fourth week of February, whether you are a CA final student or whether you are a CA inter students. Maximum I'm expecting the results in the fourth week of February, means February before fourth week. Fine, coming to what is the agenda of this video? Is it only to announce the timetable? No. I am going to talk about Mission 100. What is Mission 100? Before I go further, don't repeat the same mistake that you did earlier. Don't repeat. Suppose if you are a first timer for May exam, this quotation might not apply. But watch this video even though you're a first timer for May exams. Okay, watch this video. You may be connected with whatever the mistakes that I'm going to talk about. Don't repeat the same mistakes. Take this Mission 100 and see your success rate will enhance like anything. Now, what is this Mission 100 is about? And sir, you started with a quotation that don't repeat the same mistakes. First of all, what are the mistakes that we are doing according to your knowledge? Yes, I'm coming to that. What is Mission 100? First, let me clarify. Like today, it is 21st January. And now the institute announced the timetable, and I strongly consider today nobody will study, to best of my knowledge. So what are the leftover days in the January month? 10 days are the leftover days in the January month, and February we are having 28 days, and March we are having 31 days, and April we are having 30 days, and May, sir, yes sir, 14 days for CA final student, 13 days for CA final students, and 14 days for CA inter. Wrong. I only consider 10 days. Last 4 days before exams, I will not consider them for preparation at all. So what is the gross time that we are having? 38 plus 31, 69, 99 plus 109. Totally we are having 109 days. Out of which, by the way, I already gave a provision of 3 to 4 days before May 14th or before May 15th. 9 days I am assuming you are taking holiday. 9 days I am assuming you're taking holiday. Already January is about to over. So every month on an average you're taking 3 days holidays, I'm assuming. February you're taking 3 days holiday, March you're taking 3 days holiday, and April you're taking 3 days holiday. Okay, so you are having exactly 100 days. And if you are able to exactly plan, just a minute. So if you are exactly able to plan this 100 days properly and don't repeat the same mistake which you did earlier, I challenge your success rate will grow like anything. Your pass, the chances of qualifying the examination will be at a much higher rate. Sir, you are saying don't repeat the same mistake multiple times. Watch this video, by the way, till the end. I'm telling you, your confidence will boost up like anything. I am not here to motivate, understand. I am here to bring out certain facts. I am here to speak on certain issues which you generally feel, generally don't even think about it. Yes. So what are the mistakes that we generally do? Mistake number 1, test series. Test series. Sir, what is test series? I always feel one sentence I always get. Writing exams should be like a movie, should not be like a serial, or should not be like a web series. Of course, web series is a improved version of serials, but it is below movie and above serials. So web series is like an improved version of serial, nothing but serials only. Okay, so test series, your examination when you're preparing, why are you writing test series, many students? To test your knowledge. Through test series, are you preparing anything from the test series? No. Test series is meant to test your knowledge. Now, how the testing should be? Tell me, when a mission is designed, is it tested on every day or is it tested on certain stages? Very simple. The traditional process of testing anything that is made in this world, it is tested only at certain stages. Example, suppose if the mission is made, let us assume 40% is completed. Mission will be tested whether that 40% is correct or not. Again, when the mission is made until 80%, it will be tested. Again, when the mission is made of 100%, again it will be tested. Generally, testing happens over 3 or 4 times only. Main, that is called ad hoc testings. But how nowadays test series is being conducted? As if students are chasing not preparation but chasing the test series. The test series is the biggest blunder according to me which every student is doing, and that is the reason why even though student is putting lots of efforts, even though he is writing multiple test series, he is failing. You know, in a simple line, in a bottom line, what exactly happens in test series, I'll tell you. You pay for a test series. Okay, first test series target you will definitely write well. Second test series, second due date, second exam you will write well. Third exam you will perform average. Fourth exam you will perform below average. Why? Most of the test series is designed in such a way that initial 3 tests that which they conduct, you will meet the target of the syllabus, but the fourth exam onwards you won't meet the target. And what happens, the moment you wrote fourth test series, you don't even finish the full syllabus. You don't even finish the full syllabus and you go and write the test average performance. You keep that pending. Why are you leaving that pending syllabus? Because there is another test upcoming week. For that you need to prepare. In that again you are keeping some 30-40% pending. The test series schedule, whatever whoever is following, many students are doing like this. Very few number of students, hardly 5% of the students out of 100 who work day and night, who study day and night. Only for them test series might be suitable, not again exactly suitable. What many test series is, how they are conducting, they are just copy pasting questions from MTP, RTP, other books, that's it. So they're doing literally nothing. Remember, if you really gain the knowledge, testing the knowledge is not required. Once or twice if it is tested, that's enough. But test series should not be your, it should not be like chasing. You should not chase the exams. You should go and write the exams once in a while. That too, why are you writing exams? For practice, for handwriting practice. Okay, that's the only reason. But it should not be your daily dose. Okay, it should not be like a daily dosage for you. So first, avoid test series. Sir, I already paid, sir. It's okay. Your attempt is more costlier than the test series. Believe me. Okay. Second one. Second mistake that you do. Coaching, like some students who are taking right now, some students are taking coaching along with preparation. And what many students think is coaching is different from preparation. Why? Many students finish coaching classes in videos, especially at a faster speed. They watch at 1.2, 1.5, 2 times speed. And that is the reason why they don't learn anything from the coaching. They don't learn anything from the coaching because why? They finish it. They don't learn from the class. They just listen from the class. They don't learn. They only listen. Even I recently uploaded a video, learning versus listening. I'm going to attach those videos to this video. Okay, while you're watching, you'll get suggestions. Okay, watch it if you need. If you just today, come out of all your assumptions, come out of all your fears. Believe me, if you implement whatever I'm going to tell you, your success rate will increase like anything. So, whoever is taking coaching right now, whoever is taking coaching right now, listen to the classes at standard speed. Make coaching class itself is your first preparation. Yes, coaching itself is a first preparation. If you keenfully listen, carefully analyze the things, watch at standard speed, along with the faculty, you also analyze the things, your first preparation is over. And if your first preparation is best, If you gave your best in the first preparation, revision takes quite lesser time. You don't have to revise much. It will take quite lesser time. Then suppose, sir, you are not, sir, I'm not taking any coaching, sir. How should I plan the preparation? I have a concept called cumulative revision. I have a, I made a video on the concept called cumulative revision. What is cumulative revision? This is the best way of revising. Generally, what many students, even today, majority of the students, what they do is they first prepare, forget everything, again reopen the book, again revise. On the forgotten knowledge, already they would have forgot most of the content. Now again they restudy it. They are restudying it actually, and they're calling it as revision. Revision is something that you do while you still remember the subject and not after you forget the subject. The purpose of revision is to sharpen your preparation. It is just to sharpen your preparation. It is not to create a sharpness. It is to improve the sharpness. So it is something that you do to enhance, whatever you remember already. It is not after you forget something. So in order not to forget, how you should revise, not at a time separately. Along with original preparation, revision should go simultaneously. So preparation and revision, I mean, coaching, preparation, revision should be a simultaneous process. And I'm telling you, that is the best combination. That is the best combination. So what is cumulative revision? Sir, can you explain more? I'm going to attach this video as a suggestion. As a suggestion to the video, you will get this. And even at the end of this video, you will get this. Or you can just type in the YouTube cumulative revision Ram Harsha. You will get the video. Or Ram Harsha cumulative revision. You will get the video. So that's it. And then, and by the way, while watching that video, you might get many number of doubts. Below there are so many doubts which are posted by many students, and I replied. You just watch those comments and replies as well. Then fourth one, sir, like I'm a CA Inter student or I'm a CA final student. I don't have really that much knowledge on one or two subjects, sir. Is it worthy for me to take coaching classes right now? Definitely. Definitely it is worthy, provided, as I already told, if you take the class, don't take it for listening, take it for learning. When you're listening to the class, pay full attention. Listen to it at standard speed. If the coaching is for 130 hours or 150 hours, spend 150 hours. It's okay. Or don't spend 150. If the coaching is for 150 hours, first select only 100 hours topic. Remaining last 30-40 hours topic, keep it pending. Listen to this 100 hours topic perfectly. I call it as 70-30, nothing but two-third approach. I call it as two-third approach. If you are perfect in two-third of the syllabus, I'm telling you, if you prepare two-third of the subject strongly with very good fundamental understanding, very good conceptual understanding. By the way, conceptual understanding is different from sentence understanding. Many students are just understanding sentences and its meaning, but not the concept. Conceptual understanding is different from understanding the meaning of a sentence. Sentence meaning anybody can understand, but concept only few can understand. How? A very simple example I'll give you. What is the difference between conceptual understanding and sentence understanding? My favorite example, Caro 2020 or Caro 2016 in the audit report. Everybody reads Caro, all the 16 clauses, all the 21 clauses, but none of them, 90% of the students don't know where the Caro will come. In the audit report, where this Caro report will appear, 95% of the students don't know. I bet everybody read Caro, everybody read all that. They don't know. See, I'm taking a very simple basic example so that CA Inter student, CA final student, anyone can understand. Everyone reads Caro, but 95% of the students don't know where the Caro will come. That itself is enough that you are not learning the subject conceptually. I just gave one example. Okay, so two-third approach. If you plan two-third of the syllabus, for your information, what I can suggest you is, to this video, I'm also going to attach my December 2021 exam strategy. I'm going to attach what? December 2021 exam strategy video I'm going to attach. Almost whatever suggestions I gave there, more or less equally apply even now. More or less equally apply now. Okay, now coming to Mission 100. What is Mission 100? You are having 100 days exactly. You don't have more than that. And don't expect postponement of exams at all. May exams, will it postpone, sir, because of third wave? I'm telling you, third wave will end by March or maximum April first week. It will not go beyond that. To best of my knowledge, third wave will come to halt by February end itself. Already started, so February end itself it will stop. Again, another wave might come after 6 months, not anytime soon. So May exams will be conducted as per schedule unless something extraordinary happened in between. Okay, now 100 days. Every day, if you are able to dedicate, if you are able to dedicate 12 to 13 hours, suppose if you are a both groups student, if at all your objective is to write both the groups, you need to have, you are having indirectly 1200 hours of time with you. Suppose if you are a single group student, 10 hours is enough. Maximum 10 hours is enough, which is more than enough. Is equal to 1000 hours of time you're having. You know, 1000 hours and 1200 hours is not an ordinary thing, man. It's such a very good number. By the way, now many of you are having some doubts. So should I focus on both the groups or should I focus on single group? What I suggest is, you're having group 1 and group 2, two groups, right? First think, as on today, first identify in which group you are having edge over the other group. Some students, sir, I'm better right now in group 1. I completed a good number of chapters. I finished the preparation of 1 or 2 subjects in group 1, sir, not yet started group 2. No, sir, I am confident in group 2, sir, but not in group 1. Now what you have to do, first, as soon as possible, finish any one group preparation completely. First, finish preparation of any one group, not both. Don't stand on both the groups right now. First, take one group. You are having edge on group 1, take group 1. Finish all 4 subjects, 70% syllabus. In each subject, 70% syllabus. Okay, try to finish 2/3 important syllabus, main important chapters. 2/3. Paper is for 120 marks for entire syllabus. If you prepare 70% syllabus, you will be able to attempt for 75 marks to 80 marks for sure. Take the chapters which occupy 75 to 80 marks of the weight. Finish that in every subject. Group 1 over. Luckily, it is over by, let us assume, February end or March 2nd or 3rd week. You still have time and you are very confident on this group. You don't require much revision time also. Then start the other group. Until you finish any one group perfectly, don't focus on the other group. Don't stand on two. See, my objective is very simple. Instead of failing in both the groups, it is better to qualify one group. That is what my objective of telling this strategy. I know right now you are preparing for both the groups. I know you are very confident in both the groups. I understand. But a safest way to plan is first to finish one particular group preparation. If you are able to finish within March 2nd or 3rd week, one particular group fully, okay, then start the other group. I'm not denying you to write both the groups. Start both the second group. If you are unable to finish, then okay, tell me. So as on April 1st, everyone, cutoff date is April 1st. April 1st is the cutoff date. As on April 1st, once again you rethink, is it okay for me to stand on both the groups or only should I stick to single group? Decide on April 1st once again. Once decided, once again put a proper revision and preparation from April 1st to May 10th. Again, if you are planning for only second group, you are having 10 more days extra. It's not just 100 days, you are having 10 more days extra. If your target is only second group, so you're having 10 more days additional time. So these are the inputs which I want to give. Don't do the same mistake. One is test series, a big mistake. And if you're taking coaching right now and listening to the classes, don't listen at a faster speed. And one more mistake which everybody do is fear. Worry. See, stop worrying, start working. If you start working, the worry will naturally come down. If you are not working, the more you are worrying, it clearly indicates that you are not working at all. Simple. So these are the things I want to tell you. And now please watch these videos. What videos? Cumulative revision. I'm going to attach what is cumulative revision. So here at the corner, you will find some indication. Okay, so there you click on that. Okay, suggestions tab will be there. You click on that. I'm going to attach few videos. Cumulative revision. November 2021 exam strategy video which I made last time. You watch that, you will definitely get some inputs out of it for sure. Okay, and that's it. These two I'm going to attach for you. And how learning versus listening, I'm going to even attach that as well. Okay, that's it. I hope this video helped you to some extent. I'll still come up with more videos in the upcoming 1 or 2 weeks. In the next 1 week or 2 weeks, I'll be doing regularly as much as possible various videos. I will try my level best to minimize your mistakes and follow only one mentor. And remember, real mentorship comes out of free, not paid. I will give mentorship, but not directly to any student, but indirectly through this at free of cost. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye. All the best.